Great news! Great news indeed. This has arrived in the post. I ordered it only 2 days ago. What is it? Could foam that, that'd be handy. That box would be handy. Foam. Okay, let's get into this bubble wrap. Keep this bubble wrap good. We'll use that for other things. I think you can guess. It is a Europhoenix Class 37. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. This one's got sound. Hope it all works. Guy said that it's brand new, but it's been slightly weathered. That's what he said. So let's take a look. Good. Got the instructions. Hopefully this is for the sound somewhere with a bit of luck. So I know what all the functions are. Yeah. Function list class 47. That doesn't make any sense. It's a 37. Okay, maybe... Oh, hang on. It says class 37 on the front. Alright. So far so good. Let's take this out. Detailing pack. Yeah, a few bits and bobs there. I never use any of this stuff because it's on the garden railway, and it's just too fine for a garden railway, those bits. Put those bits over there. Yep, nice view. Let's have a look. Let's get it on its side and we'll take a look. This is certainly not the first unboxing of a Europhoenix. There's plenty of other ones on YouTube, but this is my first one, and I'm well pleased with that. It is slightly weathered, isn't it? 37884. It's in good condition. But he said it was new. Let's turn over, and you'll find that it's exactly the same on the other side. Well, I think what we need to do is get this thing outside, program it, get it on an address, and then give it a run and try out some of the sounds, see what happens. Right, I've got it on the track. Let's have a look. There it is. Now I've got to give it an address. Let's have a look. That's my other 37. See if I can remember how to do this. Select address. That's not it. Is it that? Nope. That. This could be it. Edit name, symbol, speed, delete, program, system menu, edit. This is not it, is it? Can't remember how to do this now. Oh, you select one first, don't you? Right, select a loco, right. So I've already got one on number 2. Got one on 1, 5, 9005, 10, 4, 2. Let's go for 6 then. So if I select 6. Right, good. Now I need to make it 6. Now I've already done that. Edit name, edit symbol, speed, program it maybe. Right address 6, yeah. Change address 6, right address 3, 0. Right address on main track. What's going on? Just change the address. Just write it. It's doing it. Programming. Okay. All right, that's worked. Right, let's bring it back. Come back. It's a good start. Locomotive 6. Okay, let's try the sound. It's number 1. It's a bit dark here, move around here. Okay, that's the engine on, number 1. So what happens if I pull away? A bit faster. And bring this to a stop. Engine off. Decent. So there's 3 start modes in here, it says. F1 once, twice and 3 times. So the once is normal start. Press it twice, priming up, so that's a failed start. And the third one is a long start. So we tried a long start. Right, 1, 2, 3. This is long start. So the second one is a failed start. So I'll be pressing it twice. Let's give that a go. Did I do it too quick? Too quick? Let's go again. Certainly failed. Okay. So look, 2 horns then. F2, so 2 horns, you've got F2 held on and F3. So this is F3. And F2. Okay. Alright, found it. It's over here in the shade. It's also got a function, a guard's whistle. So that's F12 if it's stationary. Do the guard's whistle. Great, now get it to go. Bring it back the other way a bit. Just a... That's it. Yeah, that looks good. Bit more. Okay, stop it about there. Good place for a photo. Hang on. I don't know how it's possible an ant somehow managed to get inside the cab. I don't know how, because windows are shut. There it is. Must have picked it up from around the garden. Yeah. How's that even possible? Well, this is the end of my unboxing video of my Europhoenix Class 37884. A great specimen of a locomotive. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm editing it now, and it's significantly longer than I thought it was going to be. So it is what it is. Look out for my next video, which is going to be this Europhoenix running around with my nuclear flasks. I'll probably post that one tomorrow. Farewell.